Welcome to this video on the characteristics of living things. We'll explore various characteristics of living things and their meaning. Let's dive in. In this video, we will explore the essential characteristics that define living organisms. These traits help distinguish living things from non-living matter and are crucial for studying biological processes. Movement is a defining trait of life. Animals move for various needs like food and shelter, while plants show movement by growing towards light, a process known as phototropism. Respiration is how living organisms obtain energy from food. This can happen with oxygen, called aerobic respiration, or without oxygen, termed anaerobic respiration. This energy fuels essential life processes. Sensitivity allows organisms to respond to changes in their environment, such as light and temperature, ensuring they can adapt and survive in varying conditions. Growth is a characteristic of all living organisms, referring to the increase in mass and size. Plants grow continuously, whereas animals typically stop growing after reaching a certain size. Reproduction is vital for the continuation of a species. It can be sexual, involving two parents, or asexual, where a single organism can reproduce on its own. Excretion is the process of eliminating waste products generated from metabolism. In animals, this involves specialized organs like kidneys, while plants excrete through structures like stomata. Nutrition is the process of taking in and using nutrients. Plants synthesize their food through photosynthesis, whereas animals obtain nutrients by consuming other organisms. Adaptation allows organisms to survive in diverse environments. These changes can be structural, like camouflaging skin, or behavioral, like migration patterns. Though plants and animals share fundamental characteristics, they differ significantly in aspects such as movement, nutrition, and reproduction. Pause and study the table to learn about these differences. Let's take a moment to test your understanding of what we've covered so far. Please choose the correct answers to the following questions. Now try these evaluation questions. To summarize, all living things share key characteristics, including movement, respiration, sensitivity, growth, reproduction, excretion, and nutrition, also known as Mrs. GREN. Thanks for watching. To deepen your understanding of any topic, explore our comprehensive resources, including revision notes, past questions, gamified quizzes, and workbooks.